A goal isn't just something you write down, it's something you become. Setting a goal the right way isn't about hype, it's about alignment. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set a goal step by step, in a way that actually works and actually lasts. Vague goals get vague results. Start by asking, what exactly do I want? Why do I want it? What will it feel like when I get there? Don't say, I want to be successful. Say, I want to launch a handmade product line by November 1st. Clarity is your compass. The fire behind the goal matters more than the goal itself. Ask, what's the deeper reason I want this? Who will it help? How will it change me? When it gets hard, and it will, your why is what will keep you going. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Break your goal into milestones. What's the first 3 actions I can take this week? What does 30 days of progress look like? Don't just dream big, build small. Don't leave your goal to chance. Give it space. Put it in your calendar, your phone, your morning ritual. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up even when it's not convenient. If it matters, it must be scheduled. Who knows about your goal? Who's walking with you? Find a partner. Join a group. Tell a mentor. Post your progress. You weren't built to grind alone. Even warriors travel in tribes. Don't wait until the end to celebrate. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Reflect weekly. What worked? What needs adjusting? What do I need more of? Your goal is not a test. It's a journey of becoming. So here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional. Set it clearly. Walk it daily. And watch who you become in the process. You've got this. Now go build it.